Clever Dobbin. Dobbin was an old horse. He lived in the orchard and did not often work. When the grass was ready to cut for hay, he was put into harness. He took turns with Cherry and Smiler to pull the mower. Little Ruth went into the field one day to watch. "Want a ride?" asked Daddy. He stopped Dobbin. "Yes, please, Daddy," said Ruth. She got up onto the seat of the mower by Daddy. "Gee up," she called as Dobbin started on again. It was a lovely ride. They stopped for lunch. Dobbin had a bag put over his head. He had oats in it. Then Ruth gave him a lump of sugar. They went on round the field. All of a sudden, Dobbin stood still. He would not move an inch. Daddy spoke to him, but it was of no use. "Hold the reins, Ruth," he said. He got down. "Clever Dobbin," said Daddy. He lifted Ruth down to see the pretty skylark's nest in the grass between Dobbin's feet. The shy little mother lark still sat on her eggs. The father lark flew round and round with cries of fear. Because Dobbin stopped, the mower did not harm the nest. Daddy backed him and did not cut that patch of grass. The nest was safe. How sweetly the father lark sang then. He knew that his nest was safe. By Edith E. Millard.